What's up, guys? So in this video I'm installing the transmission oil cooler, right? My car already has one, which is I think from like here up. I'm installing this one, as you guys can see. I did not involve taking the bumper off, as there's millions of videos with that, but here's, I'm sorry, trying to show you guys. Here's the transmission oil cooler. The top is the feed in right here, like that feeds out the transmission, and the bottom is what goes in. You can see this little clip. You got to get yourself some thin pliers like this, or some needle nose right here, this, whatever this is called, the little needle nose, and pop the clips out. You won't be using this, right? Let me see if I can focus. You won't be using that right there, bam. And then you run your hose. But right now what I'm working on is mounting the cooler for my dad. I do have the fan, which I'm gonna put in the very middle, but for now I'm gonna show you guys when I figure this out. The kit did come with like 4 of these adjustable things, so that kind of does help. Here's how the 4 brackets look. It's nothing crazy. We just bent them and bolted them onto the frame. Here you can see that my dad is, adding some lubricant to get the hose to go over the bar wire fitting, or the bar fitting easier, correction. This is a key step if you don't want to struggle trying to get these hoses on. Here you can see the clearance that I have. Nothing's rubbing, and that's always a good thing. Okay, so I did turn on the car. There's no leaks. There's no visible leaks. But over here, we're gonna have to find a way to zip tie these tubes. There's 2 aluminum tubes from the transmission. So I'm gonna show you guys now. Here's the lines that I use a zip tie for. The 2 lines that's coming from the transmission. Nothing crazy, but just you don't want these lines moving around or rubbing, because then these are aluminum, so if they rub too much and they start leaking, you will have to replace the entire line. Key step here: do not forget to tie these lines together to make sure that nothing is moving more than it should, or it should at all. Here you can see I put everything back together. You can see the cooler, and it looks nice and clean, and I got it silver. You can get black if you don't want it to notice, but I like people to see it. Like and subscribe, guys, for more content of my Jeep and other projects. Thank you.